Parara, tan, tan, tarumbeta. My guys. Anyways, welcome back to Jay Kusenga Farm, and we are really glad as Jay Kusenga Farm, and we appreciate the people who are viewing our videos. From the first video we posted 6 months ago, we're at about 10,000 views, and we're really glad that you're watching our views because they are educative. Now, today's episode we're talking about pruning of trees. Remember, at J. Kusenga Farm, we don't encourage, underline and bold, we don't encourage cutting down of trees. But if a farmer has a tree that does not produce fruits, what is the need of having a tree? Now, we are going to prune. Pruning for us will be an introduction of the golden hearse avocado.
Pruning is trimming your trees to become the way you want them. Also, pruning can be done to encourage more production of the tree. So you cut down some branches so that the tree can really produce more fruit. And also air circulation can get inside the tree very well, to an extent that even the sun can penetrate the tree very well. The purpose of pruning this tree is just to encourage new shoots from the avocado tree. This is the rootstock. So we want also to graft it with the golden as avocado tree. So we'll be grafting so that we can have more golden as avocados. One thing you should know while pruning avocado trees is how you prune the tree. You should not prune the tree while it is like straight. You should prune it while it's slanting. Okay. The reason for that is when when it's rain, when water enters the tree, it can make it rot. But when you prune it while it is slanting, it makes sure that water can even go down without sticking to the layer of the avocado tree. You should use a power saw machine, a pruning shear, or you should use a saw, pruning saw. That will encourage you to make a very good edges for pruning avocado trees.
That was a moment of silence for the trees that we've cut down. It's not easy for a farmer to cut down a tree that has taken over 10 years to grow. It's really sad for a farmer again. But even in the Bible, in John chapter 15, it says, my father will cut down any tree, any branches, will prune any branches that don't bear fruits, so that they bear fruits. They bear more fruits, even more fruits, but through pruning. It says literally, you have to prune for you to get more fruits. You can go read it if you think you're lying. But in accordance to what God has said, we did that to ours so that we could get more fruits. That is our sign out from Jay Kusenga.